Hi everyone, Carol Brightbill. I'm here with a quick little tech tip to help to try to save you tons of frustration. Do you ever get that dreaded message, your Google storage is full? And if you get that message, you can't even send any email. I want to show you how to take control of that, how to go in and purge that extra data from your Gmail, your Drive, and your Google Photos. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. But come on, let's go and dive in. You want to open up Google Chrome, and in the URL bar, you want to type one.google.com/storage. This takes you to the amount of storage that the three different products that take up your storage are using between your Google Drive, your Gmail, and your Google Photos. When you scroll down, you can see where it says Google Drive. Over to the right, there's a square box with an upward arrow, and when you select that for Drive, that takes you to your Google Drive. It tells you how much storage that you're using, and if you want to clean up space. When you select Clean Up Space, it's not going to go and delete any of your files. Scrolling down a little bit more, it will tell you what files are taking up the most space. You can see with the large Drive files, you can hit Review, and it will open up and show you what files are taking up the largest amount of space. There's a radio button at the upper left, and if you select that, you can delete that file. Once you delete that file, you do have to also delete it from the trash, so it completely removes any space that it's taking up. Let's close out of here, close out of your Drive. The same thing with your Gmail. When you hit that box with the upward arrow, will take you to your Gmail. Now what you want to do here, you want to go in the search bar, and the little squiggly lines there will take you to a filter. You can filter by your email that has an attachment. And you can filter by the size of that attachment is greater than, and I'm going to just type in 5. Let's say 5 megs. Search. It shows me any emails that are taking up 5 megs or more of space in my email. And I can go and delete those files. Let me select that. I have them selected. I'm going to say delete. Remember again, once you delete them, you have to also go and delete them from your trash. And the last one is your Google Photos. Now with this Gmail account, I don't buy more storage. I just use the 15 gigs that they give me. But let me take you to an account where I do buy more storage. And I'll go to the Photos, and I hit the upward arrow. It will give you a message at the top where you can manage your storage. And here is where you can see the large files that you have, any blurry photos. So you can go in, it will show you large files. If you hit the check mark, I can go and move that to the trash. Remember to also delete the trash. That's how you clean out files from your Drive, Gmail, and Photos. Google does give you the option to get more storage. With this account, I purchased 100 gigs more storage so that I don't run out of space. This is my main account. But for my secondary email, I don't purchase more storage because I'm pretty good with what I have. So it's always a choice just to go with the free version and just manage your files so that you won't run out of space, or if you want to spend the money and go and purchase more storage. To upgrade and get more storage, I really find it pretty reasonable. You can get it now. They have a deal, 99 cents a month for the first 6 months. Since I've had the account for a while, I pay the $1.99 a month, but it's $20 a year. I can deal with that. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, again, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, everybody.